Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to talk about whether vitamin C actually helps with anti-aging and what is really happening in skin when you use it. This is a question that Musaver5 asked in a comment recently, and I thought it would be a really good one to answer in another little video. Now I again asked my little friend Google what he thinks about this, and to no surprise, he gave me a pretty misleading description. The AI summary you see at the top basically says things like vitamin C reduces wrinkles because it boosts collagen production and helps your skin keep making new collagen as you age. And I think this is quite misleading because it makes it sound like vitamin C is basically deciding how skin ages. But that's not really what's happening. So first of all, it helps to understand why skin ages in the first place. Now, as time passes, skin just doesn't repair itself the same way it used to anymore. The skin structure slowly becomes less dense and it doesn't bounce back as quickly as it did when you were younger. And at the same time, skin is constantly dealing with stress from sun exposure, the environment, and what is happening inside the body. And this is where diet, environment, overall health and lifestyle come in, because they strongly influence how much stress skin is under and how well skin can repair itself over time. Now, vitamin C sits somewhere inside that bigger picture. So vitamin C can help neutralize some unstable molecules that can damage skin over time. And these are basically created when skin is under stress from sun exposure, from the environment, and also just from normal processes inside the body. And if too many of those build up over time, they can slowly damage skin structure. And this is one of the ways vitamin C can help skin hold in structure over time. And then of course, with vitamin C, collagen always comes up. And vitamin C is part of the chemistry involved in building collagen. Now, if you think about how this is often explained, it sounds like adding vitamin C automatically makes skin produce more collagen. But that's not really how it works, because collagen production is mostly controlled by how active the collagen producing cells are, not just by how much vitamin C is sitting there. So if you step back and look at it overall, what vitamin C really does is this. It mainly helps skin deal better with stress, and skin that deals with stress better usually holds on to its structure better over time. But this is not the thing deciding how skin ages overall. And this is why vitamin C can absolutely be useful, but it works as one piece inside a much bigger system, not as the main thing that decides how skin ages. So if you use vitamin C, you're not turning on anti-aging, you are supporting normal processes in skin. But how skin ages long term is mostly influenced by the overall environment skin lives in, both inside and outside the body. Now, I hope that this helped clarify that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!